Hello, beautiful souls! To make our crystal bracelet, we will first take our four 50 cm cords and make a knot, leaving approximately 10 cm hanging. Don't worry, we will use them later. We will pin down our strings, making a knot on the other side as well to make our lives easier. I'm using my scissors to create a gap so I can easily pass my string. We will be using our 180 cm string to create square knots. This way, we will make the band for our bracelet. Now that I have 6 cm of square knots, I will start wrapping my crystal. I will divide my 6 strings in pairs of 2. So I have 3 pairs, and I will start making my knots. I always use my crystal as a point of reference because I want to know where to put my knots. I will create an overhand knot with my first 2 strings, and I will do the same with the other 2 pairs. I want the knots of my strings to have the same length. Once my first 3 knots are ready, I will check again with my crystal to make sure that I'm on the right track. I will continue repeating the same process 2 more times. Now my little pouch for my crystal is ready, so all I have to do is insert the crystal and adjust it to make sure it's at the point that I want it to be. Time to continue making the rest of our bracelet band. I will secure the 4 shorter strings by making a knot and pinning them on my corkboard, and I will use the longer strings to start making square knots to complete my bracelet. Now that I have 6 more centimeters, my bracelet is almost ready. I wanted the total length of my bracelet to be 14 centimeters. Now all that's left is take the upper 2 cords on each side of the bracelet, leave them hanging because I will need them later for my closure, and make 2 overhand knots with the remaining 4 strings to secure my bracelet. In the description below, you will find a very similar bracelet which inspired me to create this project. I will cut the excess cord and slightly burn the edges to make sure my bracelet won't come undone. I will do the same thing on the other side, leaving the two upper cords hanging and making an overhand knot with the two remaining strings. Again, I will cut the excess cord and burn the edges. I'm sure by now you are tired of me saying the same thing over and over again, but I just want your bracelet to be secure. Time to make our closure. We will take our 30 cm cord and create 3 square knots. And yes, you've guessed correctly. We will create an overhand knot at the back side of our closure, cut the excess cord and burn the edges. I'm using a polyester cord, that's why I can burn it. If you're using, let's say, a waxed cotton cord, you can cut the excess cord and secure your edges by using clear nail polish. Now, all we have to do is measure 5 centimeters on each side of our bracelet, make an overhand knot to make our bracelet adjustable. I will burn my edges because I don't want them to fray, and I also slightly burn my knots. You don't really have to do that, but I want to be extra careful. Our bracelet is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. You will help me a lot. Sending you love and light.